Hey, it's Jessie here with a time-saving teaching tip from ChangeMaker courses. Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to create your video scripts for your video lessons and online tutorials. I know a lot of you struggle with this and you are not alone. I think everybody gets a form of writer's block or even just natural speaking block when they start to create their videos for their online courses, and it doesn't have to be that way. And one of the easiest ways to get around that is to just speak your scripts. Instead of thinking about, getting down and writing and trying to think, what should I say here and what should I say there? But really just try to get a natural flow and a natural rhythm to your online video lessons. So here's how we're going to do it. Okay, to start things off, you're going to need open a Google Drive account, which is super easy. Just Google Drive and create an account with Google. Now, if you're already using Gmail, then you will already have access to Google Drive and all of its components. So one of the really cool things in Google Drive is that you can create documents, you can create slides, spreadsheets, etc., and everything's saved in the cloud on your Google Drive. So what I've done here is from my Google Drive, I've opened Google Docs, and it's very similar to a Microsoft Word document, really similar interface, but with one really cool exception. Google Docs has a cool tool called voice typing. So I'm going to go ahead and click that on. And what voice typing is going to allow me to do is it is going to allow me to use my webcam or a plug-in mic, a USB plug-in mic on my computer or laptop, and literally speak into the document. So I don't have to type anything. I can just speak very naturally. That will all be recorded on the document, and then I can go back and make edits as I need to. So let me demonstrate how this works. So I've got voice tools open here, and I'm just going to click on click to speak, and I'm going to allow my Google Docs to access my microphone on my computer, and I'm just going to start talking. And as you can see, everything I'm saying now is being recorded into this document. So this is a really, really easy way to create your video scripts for your online lessons and online tutorials. Okay, I'm going to stop voice typing just by clicking on that microphone again. And now you see I have a nice script here, and I can format it and do anything I want to do to it in order to prepare the script the way I want for prior to recording. So super easy, really efficient way to get your scripts done instead of agonizing over every word that you're trying to type into the computer. I think for most of us, if we just start talking, that the words will flow quite naturally, and then we can go back, and clean things up here in the voice typing. All right, I hope that helps, and I hope that's a really nifty time-saving teaching tip that you can put to work for you in your online course design. Take care. Goodbye.